North Carolina's top health advisor, Secretary Kody Kinsley, is in Greenville, taking a look at local healthcare systems here in the East.
9 on your sides, Erin Jenkins caught up with Kinsley this afternoon. And Erin, what was on his itinerary?
Angie Kinsley toured health facilities at both ECU and Pitt Community College. He's visiting Pitt County to learn more about the region's healthcare needs and how Greenville's health systems are leading the charge here in the East.
It is so critical, the work that is happening here in Pitt County, to not only support the health and wellness of the county, but the entire region.
North Carolina State Health Secretary Kody Kinsley got an inside look at how the East is training the future of health care.
Brody has a clear commitment to training physicians and other nurses and others in the allied health science space that are going to work here in North Carolina.
He toured the Brody School of Medicine and got a look at PCC's live simulation training.
Pulse rates, blood pressure, he gives karate cough sounds.
The innovation that we have seen, especially over the last several years during COVID, only sets us up where we have got to focus on so much more.
He also spoke at the Greenville Pitt Chamber of Commerce's luncheon, talking about COVID-19 in the state.
We have seen that this virus is very good at throwing incredibly good curveballs. And we have to stay vigilant, and we have to be responsive.
Also discussing some of the challenges rural communities face, starting with access to mental health resources and his push to expand Medicaid for North Carolinians.
The particular challenges in the East, especially in some of our more rural communities, is that behavioral health care, as other primary care issues, are really about getting early access and prevention. And when you're living in rural communities, it's very hard, especially when you have more than 10% of people without health insurance, to maintain the necessary provider base that provides those services.
Kinsley says visits like these help him see the need so he can take ideas back to Raleigh. He was hosted today by Pitt County Representative Brian Farkas, who also spent the day listening to concerns to help better utilize money and resources for our area. In studio, Erin Jenkins, 9 on your side.